So you think it was at least goby? I didn't look.
No, not goby, puffer.
Puffer.
Yeah.
I didn't look it up. The computer's in the bedroom. They had one in a tank down there?
Yeah, identical. So I was pointing to her, I said, what is that? She goes, I don't know what that is. I think that's, and the picture they had of it outside, they had pictures of all the fish outside the tanks, but the picture of that one was very bad. But once I got up and started looking at it closer, the picture did match the fish. I think. Yeah. She goes, ooh, don't eat those. I said, no. They said they only get to be about 4 inches long.
That one got a big piece. About 3 or 4 of them went after him.
Yeah, that's what I like, is throwing him a big piece and then causes a fight.
Yeah, look.
Get in there, Kayla, get it!
Maggie! Maggie! Oh. Whoa. Wow, look at him.
Yeah, they go at it.